Welcome to the Slowly English Listening Podcast. Together, we'll improve your English step by step. Episode 9, Family and Descriptions. Hello everyone. Take a moment to think about the people you love and smile. I believe that learning English is like building a family. At first, the words are like strangers. But the more time you spend with them, the more they become your friends, and finally, they become your family. Today, I want you to feel at home. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is just a step closer to speaking perfectly. You are part of our English learning family now, and I am very proud to see you here again. Welcome to episode 9 of English Step by Step. I am Adam. I am so happy to be here with you today. In our last episode, we talked about the weather. Today, we are going to talk about people. We will learn how to name the members of your family and how to describe what they look like. Let's start with the family tree. Repeat after me. Father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter. Very good. Now, let's learn the words for the extended family. Repeat after me. Grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin. Now, how do we describe these people? We use adjectives. Let's look at the hair and the eyes first. Repeat after me. He has brown hair. She has blonde hair. He has blue eyes. She has green eyes. Now, let's talk about height and age. Repeat after me. He is tall. She is short. He is young. She is old. Let's practice a full sentence. Imagine your father. Repeat after me. My father is tall and he has brown eyes. Now, imagine your sister or a friend. Repeat after me. My sister is young and she has long hair. Excellent. You are doing a great job describing people. Let's try a small simulation. I will describe a person, and you try to imagine them. Adam's friend is very tall. He has short, black hair and he wears glasses. Can you see him in your mind? Now, it's your turn. Tell me about one person in your family. What does your mother or father look like? Wonderful. Using these simple words is the best way to start a conversation. Here is my special tip for today. Take an old photo of your family or friends. Look at each person and try to say 3 things about them in English. For example, this is my uncle. He is short. He has a big smile. Doing this with photos makes the words much easier to remember because you have a visual memory. Remember, family is about connection, and language is about connection too. You are learning English to connect with the world. You are doing amazing. We are almost at episode 10. That is a very big milestone. Your consistency is your superpower. Your homework for today is this: describe one person in your family in the comments. Tell me their relationship to you and one thing about their appearance. For example, my brother is tall. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the like button, and please share our podcast with your friends and family. I am Adam. Thank you for listening to English Step by Step. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next step.